I am an international student from China. Before this semester, I didn't have any idea about my future. But after this year, I have strengthened my goals. My Chinese name, the education I accepted, and the things I was exposed these years have made me very interested in the traditional niche culture that is gradually forgotten by the modern society. I hope that through learning with the new media, I can combine more cultures together with creativity and spread them through the new media so that more people can learn about these beautiful cultures. My research question is how media affects my daily and study life. I conducted my research in Ottawa. Usually, I do my job in the library of U Ottawa. I gathered data from social media like Instagram, YouTube, and Weibo, which is a Chinese social media, and etc. People in today's society can't live without these things, and it's the same as a student. I also gather data from magazines. This is a line graph that records my phone usage time. I use my phone an average of 5.1 hours per day. My favorite artwork is a collage about how new media affects my ability to concentrate. This collage was inspired by my daily life. I was deeply aware of my declining of concentration a few months ago. I think it's mainly due to the amount of fragmented information on social media, which makes it harder for me to stay focused on long text and videos. My favorite word cloud is the poetry word cloud. When I saw my poetry word cloud, I feel a sense of accomplishment. Before I knew it, I had written 10 poems on different topics, all of which reflects the topics of each report and what I had newly learned. At the same time, they all express my attitude and opinion about the things. I analyzed my data through coding. This picture is an example of my coding. And I found an interaction pattern between me and my media consumption. My media consumption reflects my life, and they reveals the apps I use every day are very similar, which also shows my choice of media contents. My analyze conveys my thought on my future goals, my love of culture, and my hope that I can spread traditional culture to more people through new media. At the same time, it also conveys the problems that still exist in my world. Nowadays, the society climbed to want gender and racial equality. There are still problems such as male gazing and racial discrimination, which are not solved at all. We still have to do a lot and put more effort to achieve the true equality. My research journey is very important because my research report shows my learning process. I changed from a person without goals to a person with goals and ambition. In addition, each of my research report was related to media theory, and I learned a lot from them. This report not only shows how I think about my life, but also shows the new things I have learned.